Ya, pulang dulu ya. Saya sudah lapar.
Okay. All
Okay.
right.
Okay, see you in a bit.
5 to 10 minutes. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. See you in a bit.
Oh.
Hi, babe. Woo.
Hi. Why are you
Nice.
recording me?
Yeah. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Halo teman-teman, ini pasti. Nah, Nancy lagi di gym. Dia mau ulang tahun minggu depan. Jadi sekarang saya mau kasih dia surprise untuk ulang tahun. Saya mau belikan dia laptop yang baru untuk editing nge-vlog. Jadi sekarang saya mau order laptop online. Halo teman-teman, so I just got the notification, paketnya sudah datang, yeay. Oke, sekarang saya mau ke concierge ambil paketnya. Oke, let's go. Oke, concierge di gedung kami, itu di gedung di belakang. Kita ambil paketnya. Oke teman-teman, saya sudah ambil paketnya. Dadah. Oh yeah. Besar dan apa itu? Opposite of ringan. Lebar, besar. I forgot the word. It's very heavy. So, saya sudah beli wrapping paper. Sekarang mau kembali ke rumah. Nanti mau wrapping paketnya. Let's do it. Okay, so let's see. Alright. Let's pack it. Okay. Let's do it.
Hai guys, semoga kabarnya baik-baik aja ya. Ya, jadi aku bikin voice over soalnya ini kan prosesnya si bro yang nyiapin hadiah ulang tahun buat aku. Aku jujur surprise banget karena biasanya si bro itu kalau ulang tahun aku, dia bukan tipe yang ini ya, yang kreatif untuk kasih surprise gitu teman-teman. Ya nggak apa-apa sih, emang udah itu dirinya sendiri gitu. Nah biasanya kalau misalnya aku ulang tahun, dia yang praktis deh hadiahnya. Jadi biasanya tuh dia ngadain aku saham. Jadi saham tinggal ditransfer sama dia, ya udah gitu. Jadi tiap tahunnya biasanya kayak gitu. Cuman kali ini dia tuh agak beda gitu. Jadi dia, karena kita sempat ngobrol kan ya beberapa minggu yang lalu, aku sempat komplain karena masalah laptop aku yang memang makin hari makin lambat. Jadi terus kalau misalnya aku buka Premiere Adobe buat nge-edit video, itu tuh bisa lama banget gitu. Nah jadinya aku nggak nyangka aja dia jadi kepikiran buat beliin laptop ya, karena memang sih kita obrolannya kita bakal beli bareng. Jadi katanya dia janjinya dia bakal ngecek dulu spek-spek yang bagus, terus nanti mau beli laptop apa gitu. Jadi pas ternyata dia udah beli dan dia bikin surprise ini, aku bener-bener bisa dibilang agak kaget ya, karena ya itu karena si Bertus nih orangnya nggak terlalu surprise yang kayak gitu. Jadi romantisnya nggak ini ya, nggak bukan yang tipe-tipe hey surprise selamat ulang tahun yang kayak gitu, enggak. Nah ini kalau teman-teman lihat, aduh maaf ya salfok, tapi si bro tuh kalau misalnya bungkus kado tuh paling rapi. Kalau Natalan biasanya bungkus kado dia tuh, lihat ya ampun, makanya dibuang sayap, pengen ngasih lihat aja.
Oke teman-teman, aku lagi OTW beli bunga untuk istriku. Alright, let's go. Oke teman-teman, kemana aja? Oh ini cantik ya? Awesome, thank you so much. Have a good day.
Bye.
She will love it. Let's put them here. Ooh. All right, that looks really nice. Cool. Let's call Nancy. Let's see where she is.
Hello?
Hi, babe.
Hi.
Hvor bist du gerade?
Still at the nail studio. What happened?
Okay. Are you almost done? I'm kind of hungry already.
Oh, yeah, I'll be there. You want me to cook or should we do takeout?
Maybe we can do takeout. But ya pulang dulu ya. Saya sudah lapar.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay. See you in a bit.
5 to 10 minutes. Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. See you in a bit.
Yeah, bye.
Hi, babe.
Hi.
Welcome home.
Yes.
How are
it's
you?
really hot outside. So hot.
Nice.
Why are you recording me?
Yeah. So happy birthday.
But it's not my birthday today.
I know. But because we're away on your birthday, I thought maybe I'll give you your present today.
I get a present.
And we do a little birthday party.
Ooh, flowers.
Got some flowers.
That is nice. Let me see.
You like them?
They smell so good.
Smell good? Okay, let's give a smell.
Baby.
Yeah, it's good.
Oh my god. Look at this.
Got something for you.
The form. What is this? Can I shake it?
Not too heavily, like not too much.
Why?
It's heavy.
Heavy. Yeah, I mean it's heavy. Is it like what is inside?
I can unpack it.
Okay.
I mean, it's not your birthday yet, but it's your pre-birthday, so we'll we'll
Should I
just do
wait
it.
for my birthday?
No, because we're away, so you can
So
unpack
it's
it
for
now.
now.
Yeah, you can
Okay.
unpack it.
What is this?
Which one do you want to start with?
I'm going to start with the heavy one. Okay, let's open this one, the heavy one, yeah?
Let's do it.
Oh yeah, wow, you pack it really nice. Like you literally always wrap it better than me. Sangat-sangat rapi. Wow.
Do you like the wrapping paper?
Yeah, it's cute. I should
It's with the candles. Yeah. So I got you no cake yet because the cake is for the actual birthday. Yeah.
okay.
The candles because you need to make a wish. So this
Yeah.
cannot be done before. Didn't want to bring this all. I thought it's better to do it at home.
Okay.
So
Makes sense.
yeah.
But what is this? Why you didn't want to bring it? Like this or? Holy! Is it? Oh my god! Is it?
I mean, you wanted the
I do! Oh my god!
MacBook
Oh my
for your vlog, so
Baby. Oh, this is expensive! Oh my god!
happy birthday!
Oh my god!
Selamat ulang tahun.
This
Is the right one?
for 14.
Is the right one?
It is! Oh, I'm gonna cry!
Happy birthday!
Thank you!
Mwah. Mwah.
Oh, this is so nice! I'm sorry. I
Don't
got
need to
a Mac
cry.
Pro. Wow, guys, I got a Mac Pro. Wow, komputerku soalnya udah rusak.
Yeah, because the old one is already how many years? Many years. So it's getting slow. I know, and you were like not happy, and everything was taking so long. So
Yes.
I thought this will help.
I thought you're just gonna buy me a regular computer, you know, like a regular laptop or something. But it's a MacBook. Wow, I mean, I never had this before. Oh my god, this is such the sweetest thing ever. Thank you, baby.
Yeah, you're welcome. You deserve it.
Oh my goodness.
It's upside down, by the way. Hold
It's
it.
like this?
Yeah, hold it like
I
this.
even don't know how to hold it. God, this is a Mac Pro, teman-teman. Kalau dari serinya yang terbaru ya, I don't know, I'm not a Mac Pro person. 14. Aduh, keren banget. Oh my god. Mimpi apa kak aku semalam? Luar biasa banget sih lo, Mas. Thank you lo, ya ampun.
Ya,
Ini kan
you're
mana
welcome.
bukanya, sayang? Oke. Rapi banget sih, Bang.
is this?
cute. It is what? It is for. Does it fit? It is the case.
Yeah, it's a case, so you
Okay.
can put it in, and then when we go travel something, you can carry it with you.
There's something in there.
So, what is it?
Oh, it has pocket everywhere.
Yeah, it's nice.
Oh, it's on. What is? Oh, it's like, oh my god, this is really cute.
I know. So,
Wah, ini teman-teman brand new. Hey, orang mudik malah ya. Gak pernah punya Mac Pro. Ada dua, ujung ke ujung. Oke. This is not the wrong side. Ini isinya ada kabel charger ya.
yeah.
Mac Pro. Yay! Oh my god! Finally new laptop. Let's open it. Yeah. Oh god! Satisfying. Look at this. Hello. Hello. Okay, Siri.
It's talking to us. Alright.
I love you. It's great.
Hopefully you have a lot of fun with it. Okay.
I will.
Success.
I will. Halo teman-teman, sorry. Gue nggak tahu ternyata mau dikasih surprise sama bro, dan ya ini aku ulang tahun berapa hari lagi. Terus tadinya sih nggak kepikiran mau minta dibeliin apa, jadi aku pikir ya udahlah terserah, kemarin kan juga udah habis liburan ya, tapi nggak nyangka banget tapi dibeliin laptop baru. Jadi laptopku yang lama itu udah mulai agak lambat, jadi aku kadang kesel banget kalau ngedit teman-teman, tapi ya itulah, mikirnya sih kemarin mau beli laptop baru sama si bro, tapi nggak kepikiran beli yang ini ya, karena ini mahal banget kan. Kalau laptop biasa kan dapat ya 1.000, 2.000 gitu, jadi nggak tahu deh ini berapa. Oh, oke, aku masih gemeteran. Terima kasih teman-teman. So, tetap nonton Binai. Sini sayang, sini. Nah, ini suami aku yang ngasih hadiah. Terima kasih buat hadiahnya, Mas Bro. Thank you for watching teman-teman. See you in the next video. Bye bye.